discussions. In group discussion, you have that all as a student, as even as an employee, group discussion, have that discussion, the other minds, share and then receive. Afterwards, what you do? Then sit alone, visualize what learned from the past and do for the solution. For that one, on one side, he sat with the Western disciples in group. The other side, talk to yourself once in a day, otherwise you are missing an excellent person, a friend inside. What he says is, have group discussion, but once a while, turn inside. So what you have to do, my dear friends, have dance, have joy, sharing our experiences, sharing your education, sharing your knowledge with the friends. But once a while, sit down at least for a few minutes, spend with one of the best friends that is there inside. When once you do that one, the best friend inside, can you hate him? One day Swamiji asked me, Swamiji, Murthy, do you love yourself? Maharaj, what is the question you are asking? If I don't love myself, which girl I will love? I was young, of course, at that time. Then he said, daringly, not that, Murthy. If you really love yourself, do you feed junk food to you? If you love yourself, do you entertain bad thoughts in you? If you love yourself, do you do bad actions within you? Then I started making the introspection. I don't love myself really. I say only orally I love myself. So first thing what we have to do is that love ourselves. When we love ourselves, we love everyone. That is, actually, youth, they love themselves. As they become old, they become pessimists. So that's why youth, they love themselves, they love others also. So you are all that of that, the great love. Next one, please. So with this, always in nature, there two forces are there. One force is always trying to bind. The other force is always trying to make it fragments. The whole universe is expanding. But Big Bang, it brings from a small point. Always in your mind, two thoughts comes. Either do it or don't do it. One is constructive, the other one is destructive. These, you cannot stop it. What you have to do, next one. Each one of you coming to be great in your chosen field. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. In spite of many outside distractions, you choose to come over here because not coming here, many of your friends, they have chosen the other thing. But have you chosen here with your own decision you came or not? Yes, you came. To listen from Vivekananda's sterling words for the youth, that is called Viveka. What is Viveka? Discrimination. Discrimination. Shall I go to Ramakrishna Math today lecture or not? When you apply the Viveka, then what comes? Ananda bound to come. When you have Viveka, Ananda bound to come. So you may forget the whole world, all the lectures, all the things. But remember the name of Swami Vivekananda. Because Viveka is this discrimination. And if you have that discrimination, what you have is Ananda, that is Vivekananda. And all of you will become Vivekanandas. All of you will become Vivekanandas. Enrich your heart with Vivekananda, with my prayers for his blessings on all of us. All of us. So, with all this one, I extremely feel thankful for giving me the strength, the courage to stand in front of you, my dear children. I thank you all. I thank you all.
Now, my question to all of you is, rebuild India or break India?
India.
Thank you. Let us recite Vivekananda's teaching as our departing message and go forward. Okay? Teach yourselves. Teach everyone. His or her real nature. Call upon the sleeping soul and see how it awakes. Power will come, glory will come, goodness will come, purity will come, and everything that is excellent will come. When this sleeping soul is roused to self-conscious activity. Strength is life, weakness is death. Manifest the divinity within you, and everything will be harmoniously arranged around it. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Jai Swami Vivekananda Maharaj Ji ki. Jai Bharat Mata ki. So thank you very much. Wish you all the best and see you all again in your respective colleges or in our activity.